2024 Tesla Model Y, and this is the best-selling Tesla. And today we're going to be spending some time with this car to find out why this car is the best-selling vehicle for Tesla. I tested out the suspension of the Model Y while we had the car. I did a lot more testing on other components of the Model Y, but here are my thoughts on the suspension. The suspension of the car is honestly okay. It's soft, but it could, feel more cloudy and, soak up more bumps. It's good. It's not great. Have you ever wondered why Tesla has literally 0 buttons in their cabin? Put in the comment section if you know. But one thing I'm going to say is, I like how minimal the interior is. There's not a lot going on. But this screen here, there's a lot going on with the screen. But except from that, I like how everything else is in the car. Nothing too much, nothing too crazy. I like the minimalistic aesthetic that Tesla is going for. I'm about it. So we made a pit stop at one of Canada's best coffee shops. But before we go in, let's take a look at the exterior of the Tesla Model Y. Alright, so taking a look at the exterior of the car, we have this shaped head like that. It just makes the car look like a robot, like it has 2 eyes and a mouth. Some bulge here that make it look a bit aggressive. The front side is okay. I don't like this place that goes in, but hey, I like the color. It's like the pearl white. And coming to the side, we have this black coated alloy wheel. You can see it's black, but it's dirty. It's a 20-inch rim. It's black coated. This is the performance package, so you see a lot of blacked out stuff. This performance mirror that looks nice, typical Tesla side. And if it comes to the back, we have this carbon fiber ducktail spoiler that makes the car look more aggressive. And just a typical Tesla looking. This is a diffuser. Makes the diffuser, the rear diffuser makes the car look okay. It makes it a bit more aggressive. Nothing too special. If you get into this car, you won't really know it's the performance package, but it is the performance package. One way you can know is this carbon fiber. If I'm to grade the exterior, I'll give the exterior a B. It's nothing special. It's okay. Yeah. So we're taking a short break from the car content and whatnot. We're gonna get some coffee at Tim Hortons, to give us that energy. We need that energy so that we can be more productive. So we're gonna get some coffee and then we'll get back to the video.
Before we in the basement and recorded magic.
It wasn't more Canadian than this. Huh? Oh, more Canadian. Tell me it was more Canadian than that.
Padded, woke up in Wonderland once I followed the white rabbit.
Let me tell you guys about the mirror of the Model Y. And guys, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This mirror is so small. Because it's the performance package, so the mirror is very small. The back, I can even barely see behind me. Let me show you guys before I go. See, I can barely see behind me. Blind spot is good, but to see my rear is trash. The mirror is trash as well. I guess that's what comes with performance cars,
After spending some time with the Model Y, I decided to test out the audio system, and here are my thoughts.
Making some nice sound system, I'm not gonna lie. The sound system is good. I like it. It's bumpy, it's nice. Is it me or it just sounds a bit staticky? It's just because it's radio, yeah, but it sounds good. Let's see if we can find that. It's good. Sound system is good. Sound system is good. Is that the
We're at the pawn shop to pick up a camera to enhance my vlogs and car reviews. But before we do that, let's take a look at the interior of the Tesla Model.
Alright, so taking a look at the interior of the 2024 Tesla Model Y. Bro, first thing, this interior is as minimal as possible. I like it. I don't know why. But coming here, we have this white, I don't know if this is, it's not wood, but white trim, your door handle to open and close it. Big ass cubby space here. The steering wheel, we have just 2 buttons that control basically a lot of things. We have your blinker here and your gear selector here. But we have this nice touchscreen that basically controls everything in the car. 2 wireless charging pad, big ass storage bin here, 2 okay size cup holders, and more storage space here, which is nice. And then that's basically it. No vents. All the vents are embedded, everything. There's nothing to talk about. Let's go to back seat. I also like this panorama. Alright, so taking a look at the back seats, nothing here, big coffee space, 2 back pockets here, vents, no screen, because this is the 2024 one. The 2025 one has screen. We're gonna be reviewing that one soon. Watch out for that video. And we have 2 cup holders. Bro, why did I sound like that? Like I was moaning. Oh my days. Let's take a look at the trunk. Come on, take a look at the trunk. We have this nice ducktail spoiler. It's carbon fiber. Nice. This is the performance one, all-wheel drive. So that's that dual motor, call it that. And open the trunk. Has a nice sound to it. Everything in this car is just aesthetic, man. I'm not gonna lie. Let's do the heavy truck test. We'll close it. No? Try again. works. It's just like you have to fit it in some kind of weird way. But alright, so if I was to grade the interior of the Tesla Model Y, I'll give it a B. It's minimal. I like it. Not too much going on. It's not like you just slap the screen here. The screen is, you know, fitted nicely. We're at pawn shop to get a camera. The Canon R60. No, 60, man. It's R60, yeah. So we're at the pawn shop. Here to pick up a camera.
Pick up a camera?
Yes.
Alright, for camera?
Yes.
Do you have a 90 with you, perhaps?
Yes, I do. What here? We're trying to get a camera and they used to be. Oh, they're not here anymore. Where did they put them? Oh, here! They are here. Oh, they just moved them to the opposite side. Okay. Looking for an RF. I don't think they have the lens we want. They don't have it. Alright, so I decided I wanted you guys to experience what it's like to drive the Tesla Model Y. So let's go on a quick POV drive. Right, we're on our way. Put it to performance spot. Okay, we'll get here. Alright. Let's pull it here a bit. Ready? Ooh. He did? Ah. It didn't feel real, yeah? Oh my days. Ooh. Ooh. It's like it gets in your body. Ooh. Oh my days. Oh my days. Okay, I think I have right off away. It's a bump. Okay, here we go. Oh, the suspension is good. It holds it, well, it holds its own. It's like it goes around the bump nice. It's tuned okay. It's tuned good. It's tuned good because, bro, it handled those bumps well. You know, you can still feel the bumps, you can still hear them, but it's good. I like how it feels. Oh wow. That shit made me shake a bit, man. I'm just gonna pull it here. All right. Ready? Okay, no car. Oh my days. I mean, it gets better after the first time, yeah? Once you keep going, it gets better. But that was crazy. Oh, wee. That was crazy still. It did. It did. Oh my god. Ooh. It shook me a bit, man. It shook me a bit. I'm never gonna cap it. Shook me a bit. Ay, ay, ay. Come on. Green light. I'm pushing it. I'm going for it. Damn. Don't enter our spot. Okay, good. It didn't handles well as well. I'm not gonna lie. It doesn't handle bad at all. It doesn't even feel like I'm going that fast. I like it. Woo. I tested out the steering wheel of the Model Y, and here the steering wheel, first thing you can change it if you come to your car. I'll show you guys later, but you can change it to, you know, standard, light or heavy. I don't really feel much difference when I change it, but the steering wheel is quite responsive. I like how it feels. The heated steering wheel is so good. The heated steering wheel is so good. It's like it's literally burning my hand, man. I don't know if the sun contributes to that, but it's so good. I'm gonna give Tesla that. It's so steering wheel responsive. They tuned it well. I like how everything just feels.
Life of a legend, just a
Should you get this 2024 Tesla Model Y, or should you decide to wait and get the 2025? Honestly, the 2025, it has a new look. I prefer that look to this one, and it has more features. It has heated seats, ventilated seats, it has a screen at the back. It has a lot more features. I'll give you that, but you get a lot for your money in this car. That's one thing I'll say. You get a lot for your money in this car. I'll say if you have the money, you can go for the 2025 Tesla Model Y. But, you know, if you just want a Tesla and you want a family-sized Tesla, I'll say just go for this one. It's been your boy, Abnolimit. See you guys on the next one. Peace out.